Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Chime My Pay. Chime My Pay is a feature that allows you to get paid up to 2 days earlier than your traditional payday. This feature is available to Chime account holders who have direct deposit set up. To get started, you need to have a Chime account and set up direct deposit. If you have not already done so, you can download the Chime mobile app, sign up for an account, and follow the prompts to set up direct deposit. Once you have set up direct deposit, you can expect to receive your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than your traditional payday. This is because Chime makes your direct deposit funds available to you as soon as they receive them from your employer. To use Chime My Pay, you do not need to take any additional steps. As long as you have direct deposit set up, you will automatically receive your paycheck up to 2 days earlier. You can track the status of your direct deposit in the Chime mobile app. One of the key benefits of using Chime My Pay is that it gives you faster access to your money. This can be especially helpful if you need to pay bills or make purchases before your traditional payday. It is also important to note that Chime My Pay is free to use and does not require any additional fees. This makes it a great option for anyone looking to get paid earlier without incurring extra costs. In addition to using Chime My Pay, you can also use the Chime mobile app to track your spending, send money to friends, and find nearby ATMs. The app is user-friendly and provides you with a clear picture of your financial situation. Overall, using Chime My Pay is a straightforward process that can help you get paid earlier and manage your finances more effectively. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features available in the Chime mobile app, you can make the most of your money and achieve your financial goals.